Hey guys, Jason Morris here. Day six. Day six. Now, this is a strategy. I have never heard anybody else talking about it. When I was a brand new agent, I've done this all the time. It was very, very effective for me. Uh, I feel like it's going to be very effective for you, but the library, the public library, give me a thumbs up if you know what that is. I think it's something that's dying. If you know what the public library is, give me a thumbs up, right? The public library. I'm going to give you guys a couple of seconds to take that in. Guys, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Did you know that you can get massive leads at your local library? Give me a comment. Yes, I knew I could get leads at the library. Or, no, I didn't know I could get leads at the library. Promise you can get massive amounts of leads at the library because here's the deal. They keep all the local newspapers from the last 6 months. All the newspaper classifieds are in there. You need to go to the library. You need to take a notebook. You can actually take pictures with your phone, but I found it easier in the past just to do it with a notebook so I could keep them a little more organized rather than have 200 pictures on my phone. But they keep, you know what, you can use Scan app too. Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner is free. Turns them into a PDF. You could actually use Cam Scanner and PDF them and email them to you. You could do a bunch of them in one thing, and you could just PDF or email the PDF to you, and then you could just print them all out when you get home. You could do that, but I've always used a notebook, and a pencil or pen. But they keep all the newspapers. Mine locally do it for 6 months. They might keep them longer at your local library, but you know what? There are some people that, believe it or not, they're still using classifieds. Um, they're still using classifieds when they have a property to sell, and sometimes they run a classified ad for a week, run it for the weekend, and then they just kind of they kind of forget about it. And yeah, so guys, there's a lot of leads in there that nobody's called. Chances are, if they're probably putting the ad in the classified, they're probably not putting it on Facebook. They're probably not putting it on Craigslist. Probably a little bit older demographic is doing this, is what my guess would be. And there's a lot of leads in there. Nobody's calling. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I offer a lot of free advice, a lot of free stuff on YouTube. And guys, if you're looking for more stuff for your business, you're looking to simplify your business, you're looking to make more money, you're looking to work less, join my group coaching. Save 50% off the first month. Go to jasonmorrisgroupcoaching.com. Use the code YouTube at the checkout. Guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.